down at the river. I'm going to attempt to catch a fish on my lunch break. It is, I've got about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm gonna bring some night crawlers and a little Ned rig, and we'll see what happens. Let's go. I really had high hopes for this place. And maybe I just suck at fishing it, but oh, that's a good fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord, what is that? Oh my God, that's a giant smallmouth. Look at how long this thing is. It's right. Okay, so the tail is right there on that V of the, or the A of the avocet. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! God. I got to go. I was just saying how I was disappointed in this spot. Oh my gosh, here, get some water, get some water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, please tell me I have my scale with me. Dude, I'm shaking. Oh, yes I do. Yes I do. Dude, I am shaking. Please freaking work. .2, 3.3, 3.30 smallie. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's freaking awesome. I was just saying, I can't believe I haven't caught a fish down here. There's so many rocks, there's so many deep holes. Oh, let's go. Look at that big, beautiful smallmouth. 3.30 pounds. And it has to be, I mean, that thing's 18 inches. Oh my gosh. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Oh my Lord, look at this fish. Look at this fish. Okay, all right, I know I need to get her back. I gotta get her back. Let's go right here. Boom, man, that's what I'm talking about. That's insane. That is insane. Okay, so that was on a little Z-Man TRD, just slow hopping it on the bottom. Bro, I can't believe that. I cannot believe that. All right, that's it for me. I'm reeling in everything and going back to work. See ya.